Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all things Amazon, and today I'm going to come on here and do a quick unbox review on my new magnetic selfie screen. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it off for review, so let's go take a look at it. They're super cool. It's right here. Comes with a Type-C cable, the magnetic holder if your phone doesn't have it, and a remote for it, as well as the guide, as well as another user manual. So let's go and take it out. Oh, that's a nice size screen. It's got different buttons right here. It's got the charger and the auxiliary right here as well. So let's see if we can get it actually turned on. All right, so I just hit that switch at the bottom. And it looks like it's ready to go. So we're just gonna have to set it up through Bluetooth. It tells you exactly all the steps. So let's go and actually do that. All right, so let's go and actually set it up. So it wants us to turn on our Bluetooth, so we will. And there it is, iScreen BT is the name. It says, would you like to pair? Yes. So nothing yet. But all right, it is connected. And now we just want to mirror, just like that. Put in the code, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there it is. Ready to go. So now we can literally just have it as our camera, as you can see. That is cool. And this will just snap on back here. And now I'm able to see exactly how it is. It's cool if you guys want to go live and then use like the better camera that's on this side. This will come in super helpful so you can see exactly your position, exactly where you want to be. So let's try it out outside just to kind of see how it looks. All right, so as you can see, we got it all hooked up right there. So we're gonna go ahead and actually switch it to video, and we'll go ahead and record from here. All right, so you can see this comes in super useful, especially if you guys are doing any kind of TikTok lives or YouTube or literally anything, or even Amazon Live. This comes in super handy. I can see exactly where I have the camera. Very, very cool. The quality, super clean. Go ahead and show it to you guys this way. Look at the quality on that. I'm gonna flip it over. Look at the quality on that. Very, very nice. The one thing that I did want to point out as well about the display right here is, if, as you can see, I have it up on YouTube. Just go ahead and do this video right here. I'm gonna put it up and watch this. It has its own speaker. So cool. Look at that. That's so cool. Got it right there. Check it out. The screen is just super cool. See everything on there. And so even if we flip it this way, you got it like that as well. This is going to be one of the most useful tools that I'll probably have, especially if you're kind of like a content creator, want to get into content creation. This is going to come in super handy. And then the last thing that I did want to point out about it is that remote. We'll go ahead and actually set this up. So we'll go ahead and actually turn it on. And as you can see, all right, so now I'm going to just show you how it works. So as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and push it once. So once I tapped it, it obviously stopped the video recording. But as you can see, I can switch it over to photo mode and it'll start taking pictures as well. So you could either start and stop the video or take pictures. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new display for your phone, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.